In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix VLC Media Player if it has just crashed on Windows 11. If you've been facing issues with VLC crashing unexpectedly, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a couple of methods to get it back on track. Let's dive right into it. First, we're going to try restarting VLC and your computer, which can sometimes resolve the problem quite simply. Make sure you close VLC completely. To do this, you're going to want to press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC simultaneously on your keyboard. This handy shortcut will bring up the Task Manager, which is a powerful tool to manage your running applications. Once you have it open, take a look at the list of processes. If you see any instances of VLC still running, select them and hit the End Task button to close them completely. Sometimes these processes might be running in the background, causing issues. Once that's all done, go ahead and restart your PC. After your computer has rebooted, open VLC again to see if the issue has been resolved. This simple trick can often clear up any temporary glitches. If restarting didn't solve the problem, don't worry. We have another method to try. In the second method, we're going to reset VLC preferences. Start by opening VLC. With the program open, navigate to the Tools menu. It's located at the top of your VLC window. From this drop-down menu, click on Preferences. Here's a little tip. If you can't find it, remember that the Preferences option might be the second or third one from the bottom of the menu. Once you've opened the Preferences window, direct your attention to the bottom of this window. You should see a button that says Reset Preferences. Click on it. When prompted, confirm your action by clicking OK. This process resets your VLC to its default settings, which can often fix more persistent crashes caused by incorrect configurations or conflicting settings. Now restart VLC once more and check if it's now running smoothly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most crash issues with VLC on Windows 11. Remember, sometimes these problems can arise from minor software conflicts that are quickly fixed with a restart or a settings reset. I hope this video helps you enjoy your seamless media experience once again. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides. If the problem persists despite these fixes, consider checking if there's an update for VLC, or if there might be issues with your media files themselves. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.